PowerShell GPT is a Windows application that allows ChatGPT to control your PC via PowerShell commands. We start by submitting the system prompt. This tells ChatGPT how to interact with the application. Whenever ChatGPT generates a command, PowerShell GPT detects it and requests permission before executing it. You can click Allow or Deny. If you'd prefer, you can grant permanent access by selecting this option here. For now, we're going to click Allow. You can see here the command is executed in PowerShell, and the result is then sent back to ChatGPT.
It looks like the command executed successfully and returned the expected output. Your PowerShell command was successful. Is there anything else you would like to do with PowerShell GPT or any other questions you have?
And that's how simple it is to use PowerShell GPT. With this tool, you can harness ChatGPT's capabilities to control your Windows PC through natural conversation. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.